Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Shawal. My list number is 01443. I want to presentation. Ask. Explain the scope and objective of learning Islamic cultural history comprehensively and what is urgency in learning, or provide the basis for its urgency, philosophical, sociological, and theoretical. Answer. A comprehensive grid of scope and learning objective for Islamic cultural history and can be developed to help teachers and students understand the importance of studying this topic. Islamic cultural history is an important part of world history and has many implications in various aspects of human life. The following is an explanation of the scope, objective, and urgency of learning Islamic cultural history. Scope 1. Scope learning. Early Islamic development. Understand the historical background of the rise of Islam, the life of the Prophet Muhammad, and his important role in the spread of Islam. 2. Medieval Islamic culture. Studying the development and achievement of science, arts, literature, architecture, and trade in the Islamic world during its heyday. 3. Development of caliphates and dynasties. Explore various dynasties such as the Abbasids, Umayyads, and Ottomans, and their role in developing Islamic culture. 4. Contribution of Islamic culture to the world. Investigate the impact and contribution of Islamic culture in the fields of science, medicine, mathematics, astronomy, and arts and literature. 5. Relationship between Islam and other civilizations. Studies the interaction and cultural exchange between the Islamic world and other civilizations such as China, India, and Europe. 6. Contemporary Islam. Understand contemporary issues in the Islamic world, including political, economic, and social issues. Learning objective. Understanding Islamic history and 2. Appreciating Islamic cultural contribution. 3. Developing multicultural understanding. 4. Building analysis and research skill. Teach students to conduct research, analyze historical source, and formulate strong argument. Urgency of learning Islamic cultural history and understanding world culture. Islamic respect for diversity. 3. And enhancing scientific and cultural insight. For overcoming negative stereotypes. The study of Islamic cultural history can help overcome negative stereotypes and prejudice that often arise in society regarding Islam and Muslim. And then foundation of urgency. Philosophical learning the history of Islamic culture has a deep urgency. Philosophical considerations include respect for culture and civilization, the search for truth and knowledge. Next, sociological urgency foundation. Sociological, the urgency of Islamic cultural history can be understood through the following aspect. Understanding of multicultural society, identity formation and self-recognition. Sociology teach that understanding one's history and culture is integral to the formation of social identity. For Muslim individuals, learning Islamic cultural history can help them recognize their cultural and religious roots. Next, theoretical foundation of urgency. Theoretical, there are several approach that explain the urgency of learning Islamic cultural history. Is social constructivist theory, multicultural education theory. In this study, the philosophical, sociological, and theoretical foundation urgency underscore the importance of learning Islamic cultural history in the context of education, community development, and a better understanding of human civilization as a whole. And next, as number 2, explain the material object and formal object of Islamic history, as well as the steps in developing Islamic cultural history material along with its solid foundation and argumentation. The foundation and argumentation are taken from relevant books or reference source. Answer. Material objects and formal objects in Islamic cultural history are concepts used in historical analysis to understand various aspects of Islamic civilization. Material objects are physical elements of tangible objects that are part of Islamic civilization, such as building, artifacts, and archaeology, while formal objects are concepts, ideologies, beliefs, social system, and patterns of thought that form the core of Islamic culture. The step in developing Islamic cultural history material involve research, analysis, and interpretation, and require a solid foundation and argumentation. Some steps that can be taken in developing Islamic cultural history material is source identification, source analysis, and then classification, historical reconstruction, interpretation, argumentation. Compile research result in form of articles, books, or presentation that can be shared with the scientific community and the general public. Solid foundation and argument in development of Islamic cultural history material must be based on strict historical methodological principles such source criticism, detailed inquiry, is conduction careful and in-depth research to ensure that the data used in argumentation has a solid foundation. Relevant reference book to support these steps may include classic works of Islamic history such as Tarikh at-Tabari by Abu Ja'far at-Tabari, Orientalist works such as the Muqaddimah by Ibn Khaldun, and contemporary research by Islamic historians and culturalists such as Bernard Lewis and Karen Armstrong. The use of reliable and relevant sources is key to developing strong and meaningful Islamic cultural history material. 3. Briefly describe the achievement of the Umayyad dynasty and the case of the greatly achieved at that time from 2 sources written by famous Islamic history cultural authors. Answer. The Umayyad period, which lasts from around the 7th century to the early 8th century, marks an important period in early Islamic history. There were several milestones of progress achieved during this time, and I will detail some of them based on 2 famous books of Islamic cultural history, namely Tarikh at-Tabari by at-Tabari and Al-Ma'arif by As-Suyuti. The spirit of Islam. The Umayyad dynasty played an important role in the spread of Islam over a wide area. They expanded Islamic rule from the Arabian Peninsula to areas such as Spain or Andalus in the west and India in the east. This created the basis for the development of Islamic culture around the world. 1. Cultural center. 2. Architectural development. 3. Stable economy. And 4. Strong leaders. 5. Culture of knowledge. Is the Umayyad period saw the development of science and education, especially in cultural center like Cordoba. And next, the legacy of the Roman and Persian empires, cultural harmony, is under the Umayyad. There was an attempt to integrate the various cultures and communities in the caliphate. This created strong cultural ties and exchange of knowledge that supported progress. The Umayyad period had a significant impact on Islamic and world history. It inspired the development of culture, science, and art, and helped establish Islam as a global power. That's all for me. I'm sorry for making many mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.